Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Mina. In this video I'll be showing you how to do two types of decreases, the SSK decrease and the knit two together decrease. Okay, so let's just take a look here. On this side here is the SSK decrease, which is short for slip slip knit, and it is a left leaning decrease. And on this side here we have the knit two together decrease, which is a right leaning decrease. And these two decreases are mirror decreases, so you can use them to match each other. Alright, so I'm just going to start by knitting 2 stitches, and that's because I created a little border here and it's not part of the decrease. Okay, so I'm going to do the SSK decrease here using these 2 stitches. I'm going to start by slipping a stitch, slipping another stitch, and then using the left hand needle to insert into both those stitches we just slipped, and then knitting through that back loop there. Okay, and now I'm just going to knit to the other side. And for the knit two together decrease, as the name suggests, you simply knit 2 stitches together at the same time. Like so. And these are my 2 border stitches here. Okay. So I'll just purl across the other side, a normal purl row without decreasing, and I'll show you one more time. Got a little knot here because this was scrap yarn that I tied back together. Alrighty, so I'll knit my 2 border stitches. Okay, and then now to do the SSK decrease, so we slip a stitch, we slip another stitch, we insert this left needle into both of them, and then we knit them together. Okay, and then now back across to the knit 2 together decrease. Okay, so for the knit 2 together decrease, we simply insert our needle into both stitches at the same time and knit them together. Alrighty. So And there you have it. The SSK decrease and the knit 2 together decrease. So that is all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was useful for you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!